proceed with the one sample t-test because we have fulfilled the criteria. We have fulfilled the assumptions. Okay, what we'll do now is analyze, do together at the back there. Analyze. Nanti tak nampak, I cakap kuat-kuat. Analyze, compare means there are a few options. One sample t-test because this is one sample of students. So you click on one sample t-test. Alright, you will get this dialog box. Do you get?
Yes.
Okay. Drag the weight, whatever weight in pound, WGT, whatever you name it, to the test variable. Drag here to this one, to the right one. Betul tak? How you do drag? Use the arrow. Use the arrow from weight to the test variable. Don't drag ID. We do not want to test the ID. What we want is to test the weight in pounds. How do you drag that? You just click the arrow from left, they go to right. Okay. Alright. Can you see the test value at the bottom?
Yes.
This is the test that we want. In this question, we want to test the average mean to be tested with. For this example, we want to test whether it is different or similar with the population mean 140 pounds, correct?
Yes.
So we type 140. Type 140. If we want to test with 200 pounds, we type 200. In this question, I want to test whether it is similar or different with the population mean 140. So I type 140. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, there is also an options there. Click on the options. In the options, you want it to be test with 95% confident interval. I do not want to have it more or less than 95%. So by default, it's actually it is predetermined as 95%. Correct or not?
Yes.
Because SPSS also very clever. They do not want to be very stringent. So it is set 95, maintain as 95. Okay? Then continue. Then OK is activated. Then you get the output. Have a look at the output and try to interpret yourself first before we discuss further. What do you see from the output? There is
Ada big difference.
There is a descriptive explanation, interpretation. Correct or not? Descriptive means what? Describe. Remember? When I say in the class, cross-sectional study, usually there are two types. We can just describe. Describe what? The percentage. Describe how many of this class, males, females, but that is categorical data. If you want to discuss about the frequency and the percentage. But here,